Meaning of gouache.
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 Gouache. Gouache is a type of paint that is similar to watercolor but is more opaque due to the presence of an additional white pigment. It is commonly used by artists for painting on paper, illustration, and design work. The term gouache comes from the French word gouache, which means painting with body. Gouache has a unique ability to be layered over itself without reactivating the underlying layers, which makes it a versatile medium for creating detailed, textured artworks. Overall, gouache is a flexible, versatile, and popular medium among artists.